They still stand today. 4,000 years have passed. Civilizations have risen and fallen. But these giants remain silent in the desert. The pyramids, not just massive stone structures, but monuments to how far humanity can go. And yet, one question echoes through time. How did they do it? No steel, no cranes, not even wheels. And what they created still stuns modern engineers. The pyramids aren't just architectural wonders, they are tombs woven with belief. For the ancient Egyptians, death wasn't an end, it was a beginning. Pharaohs were seen as the living gods of the earth. When they died, their bodies were mummified, and massive monuments were built to guide their souls to the afterlife. The pyramid was the gate to that journey, and the bigger the pyramid, the closer the pharaoh was believed to be to the gods. So, how were these colossal structures actually built? The Great Pyramid of Giza is made of approximately 2.3 million stone blocks. Each weighs around 2.5 tons. In total, over 6 million tons of stone. But how were they moved? First theory, massive ramp systems. Spiral or straight ramps were built to haul stones upward. As construction climbed, so did the ramps. Second theory, water to reduce friction. Ancient carvings show workers pouring water in front of the sleds. This might have helped slide the stones more easily across sand. Third and most controversial theory, aliens. Perfect symmetry, gigantic stones, unknown methods. Some claim these were not made by human hands, but science offers a much more grounded explanation. Not aliens. Humans built these monuments, and they weren't slaves. They were skilled laborers. Archaeological evidence near the pyramids shows well-fed, medically treated, and highly organized workers. They were paid professionals. Every role was clearly divided. Stonecutters, aligners, haulers, foremen. The Nile River played a vital role. Stones were shipped in on boats, then brought to the site along special roads. Ramps, sleds, ropes, and each day hundreds of people worked together to move a single block just a few meters. This wasn't just construction. It was a human chain. The pyramids weren't just massive, they were precise. Each stone placed with near-perfect accuracy, aligned to true north, in harmony with the stars above. Shadow calculations aligned with the sun's movements through the year. At the core of these structures was mathematics. There was belief. But above all, vision. A structure built so that one man could live forever after death. Even today, they remain in all their glory. No building has lasted this long, but the pyramids are more than stone. They are the cry of a civilization. We were here, and we knew no limits. These monuments speak from the past, testaments to human intelligence, patience, faith, and shared effort. And every time we look at them, we ask the same question: how did they do it? And more importantly, what could we build today with the same belief, unity, and perseverance.